Make Money Finance.
I'm Crypto Corey.
I am Money Mike.
Once again, we're coming back at you. Yippee ki mother truckers.
Oh,
How about that short last stream, Mike? Wasn't that like some. You'd almost think like I came at you guys pretty arrogantly, right? Like, what the heck is Corey doing?
oh
Shorting the
yeah.
bull flag. And not only shorting the bull flag, but doubling down. The heck is going on with that?
I mean, dude, it was literally it played out to your best benefit. Like both of our, uh, you know, both of our conjectures, etc., got to play out. It was pretty lit. Not gonna lie.
So yeah, let's where was that?
You gonna bring up the chart, my guy?
It's Wednesday, my dudes.
Oh, oh, it
Oh,
looks horrible. Oh my god.
what was that? I think right. Last stream was what?
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. It was this right here, right? Was it this trade?
Oh
That's
yeah. Oh yeah.
9.5. Was it? No. Dang. Can't remember. It wasn't it Monday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah, that's when we live streamed last. And that's when you sold it out short and then you covered like 12 hours later. It would have been in July, not
Oh
June.
yeah, not in June, right?
Yeah,
Why
right
is it?
there. Oh yeah. It was pretty insane. So it would have been a very short term.
I have to go back in my history because I think it's on a different chart.
Cause you double sold. So when the price went up, you sold another Bitcoin.
Go back so you guys are getting to see like my actual positions. So what what trader on Bitcoin, especially crypto? I challenge you this. First of all, why isn't it bringing it up? Why won't here we go. What trader on YouTube will show you this? They'll never show you this. I guarantee. I'll put money on it, Mike, right now. They will never show you this their balance history and their trade executions. I think was it this one?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cause you double sold another Bitcoin when Bitcoin went
On
up to like
Coinbase.
63,634.
It's on the Coinbase chart. That's why. Okay, there it is.
Oh yeah, you sold another Bitcoin right up there. And
Look at
then
this, guys.
you scalped it like 12 hours later, less than 12 hours later.
I do like. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love showing my progress because it also like confirms to myself that I do know kind of what I'm doing here a little bit. I wouldn't say I know everything, but I think I'm onto something here, dude. Look, why in the heck did we short the bull flag? Look at this. everybody saw this as a bull flag, right, Mike? Everybody saw, oh, the breakout traders. I'm sorry I laugh, but I've seen it so many times, and especially because there's so much hype. But remember, we were watching this on stream. Remember, we watched this little breakout when we were literally, I think it was on stream here,
Oh yeah.
right?
Oh yeah.
This is where it was. This is the 15-minute chart.
That like Bitcoin was breaking out and you sold short 2 Bitcoin. You sold short 1 Bitcoin and then towards the end of our stream you sold short a second one.
And blatantly, like as if I almost had a time machine. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I mean, I gotta put you on to the time machine method. It's pretty dope. It is a hot tub, I gotta say. But remember the weakness that we saw the first breakout? We were watching this on stream, right? So we had this first breakout and we just saw this weakness and it came down. Or no, it was here. Was it here?
Oh yeah.
It was this right here. This was the what I call signature. If you go back to the live stream on Sunday, this grouping of candles specifically when we were watching this live, I specifically said it was like indecision, right? Because there was this like bull flag here where it kind of broke out and then it came back in the pattern and then it kind of like was indecisive. It was kind of, it wicked up and it wiped people out here with this candle, tricked them, and then it pumped up. And then we added at the end of the stream. Right? We've been like, what the heck? Added? But look at that, Mike. It was pretty much almost the exact local top there for the short term. All the way till next morning. Right? Then I saw it market open the next morning. Look at this. This is a sign. This candle. That's all it was. I didn't need an indicator. Didn't need anything. That's how simple it was. This bullish engulfing candle. 15-minute chart. Market open. Bing. Bang. Boom. I was kind of late because I had already clocked into work. But check this out. See? If you really wanted to be a savage, you could have just hit the reversal button. Look at this fair value gap. Look at that. Tell me again this is just buying and selling pressure, guys. Yeah, okay. Snaps down to the fair value gap, gives smart money their entry. It's off to the races. Right? And if you're late to the party, guess what? They gave you another one here.
So
It didn't go to the midway point, but it dapped into it.
So if you had to choose a open right now, a trade right now on the chart, what would you be rocking with?
I haven't looked at it in depth. Short term?
Oh yeah, right now. If you had to buy or sell, what would you be doing?
It's chopped, dude. I really wouldn't want to be touching this right now. It looks like it's going to chop back to the upside. Short term?
You just bought? You went long?
Yeah.
It's been a long time since you went long on the stream.
Yeah, that's how I see it. I mean, we're making our lows.
Yeah, I agree.
This could very well come down and stop us out, though. Don't get me wrong. Short
No,
term.
it's gonna rip up. We did not start the stream till after 8:30. So we're gonna see the Asian market reversal, in inverted head and shoulders right in our face right now.
Kind of struggling. I'm not gonna lie. It could very well come down and stop us out one more time before it rips up. This is why I say trading after hours right now, not a good idea. Let's see what happens though.
Especially during the middle of the week.
Dang, we should have just played the inverse money Mike, you know? Oh no, that's not real.
It's gonna print. Oh, without a doubt. I don't touch this, dude. So like when I'm trading 100% equities. I found a absolute freaking gem this week.
Oh yeah?
Oh yes. Cosmo Health,
What's the ticker for that one?
COSM. Absolute freaking gold.
So guys, if you got a ticker you want us to take a look at, throw it in the comments. Oh yeah, by the way, we are not financial advisors. Anything we do is not financial advice. It's documentation of our financial journey.
If you trade with us, you are probably either a genius or an idiot because we don't know what we are yet.
I mean, I'm literally dude in the basement. Like if you're taking financial advice from me, God help you. I
And I'm
can't
a
help
dude
you,
in
man.
the attic.
Yeah, I'm literally I'm in the basement. Okay?
Yeah. So this is the new ticker this week. So basically, the entire board has bought millions of shares with their own money. They are also repurchasing shares up to $5 million worth of volume with the company's money in order to slingshot this to $1 a share again. And not only that, but next month in August, they're going to be reporting positive earnings for the first time since this company's inception. Like, I have been day trading this for the past few days, and it has been lit. I currently have an open trade on the small account. And I basically transferred the Avant trade to the large account so the small account could, cash in on this upside. So basically, the CEO, the CFO, and the COO are all buying shares with their own money. They are also repurchasing, they're doing a share buyback with the company money up to $5 million, which they have only burned through probably $1 million worth so far. So 1/5. And I also bought a bunch of options on this, 50-cent calls, because I think the upside is $1 a share before the end of the year. What do you think, Corey, looking at this chart?
Short-term stop loss would be at like a 20 cents around there.
Okay.
Target for that would be 37 cents for the target.
37, huh?
For the bull flag that's currently playing out,
All right.
which would put us around Tuesday next week or so, Tuesday or Wednesday.
So basically,
If this trends up to the upside, if this is the breakout, now currently it does look like it has a break of trend. We are bouncing off the 200 moving average on the 1 hour time frame, and it's looking pretty decent.
so
We'll see.
this company announced 2 days ago that they bought a bunch of shares. They repurchased a bunch of shares in a buyback at 22 cents. And then the very next day, they announced the same amount of shares repurchased at 25 cents. So I actually think this thing is going to shoot up to $1 a share within the next 2 months at the most. I think we are going to violently retrace to the upside. And I think we're going to be hitting $1 a share by September.
That would be maximum.
Really?
Maximum profit if it breaks out to those levels. I would be more eyeing 75 cents would be a great area to target.
I agree. At
Very
75 cents,
conservative.
my options will print like 2 to 3 times my money. Cuz
So 75 cents.
I bought a bunch of 50-cent options yesterday at like 10 cents per contract. And if this thing goes up to 75 cents, that's like 3 times, 4 times my money.
I could also see like now this is like maximum for me would be like $1.
Yeah. That's my goal. $1. If we hit $1, I do not feel like it will go above that. I feel like it will reject that in the short
If we
term.
get a third spike here, which would be like kind of what you'd anticipate for like these big targets, if you see this thing start to climb like it did before, kind of giving us downtrend overall.
So this is a unique situation in that the CEO, the CFO, and the COO are all buying 100,000 plus shares with their own money. So insider buys in the past month have been like $2 million, 2 million shares. And not only that, they are also using company money to repurchase more shares. So it's like a very unique, uh, you know, trade.
Yeah, I just never fall in love with stuff.
No. Oh yeah, 100%. Like this thing hits $1, I'm out. Like I got what I wanted.
I take a very technical approach to this stuff, so that's how I see it. Dollar would be very, you know, reasonable, I would say, if we get this next little leg up.
All right. I'm gonna bring up the Robinhood printout on stream to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about.
Here, you got this for a second.
Oh yeah. So Robinhood is a beautiful layout for this. So this company is a pharmaceutical company, and as you know, right now, with the interest rates the way they are, and the small cap pharmaceuticals kicking ass, this company is poised, So Cosmo Health announces repurchase of 190,000 shares. Once again, this happened 5 hours ago, so this was right after market close. 230,000 shares at 25 cents. This one right here, another 190,000 shares at 28 cents. So this company does not care about the current market price of their stock. They're just going to keep buying. So they purchased a total of 4 million shares, approximate cost of $180,000, which is less than 10% of the full repurchase price. And they also reported quarter 2 preliminary revenue of $20 million. So they're just going to keep going. Not only that, so let me just go and click into this right now, because we're going to lose it for a second. Oh, there it is. All right. So what to me is the most promising thing is right here. Insider buying. So in the last 3 months, the CEO, the CFO, and the COO all bought over 1 million shares of Cosmo with their own personal money. At the market, dude, they bought shares literally at the trading price a month ago. Over 1 million shares. You can see it right here. Informative buy. The CFO, the CEO, and the CEO. Like, they're just gobbling up shares. And the shorters, see right here, this is the short sellers. They won't stop, dude. They are just short selling into the executives buying up shares. And not only that, look right here. Estimated for August, positive. It's saying a penny per share, but I think it's going to be more like 5 cents per share. So obviously you can see my purchases, my options calls. Like, I feel like this thing into September is going to be a fucking gold mine, dude.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
Speak
I found
like
this yesterday, dude.
So, yeah, I think, yeah, this one has potential, like I say. Keep an eye on it. Right now, the 1 hour chart, right, looking pretty good for this moving average crossover if we have.
You got the chart up?
What's that?
If you want to bring it up, my guy. I have not even checked on gold or anything else.
Right. So even if you really wanted to be even more conservative with the stop loss, tighten that up. Right. We could even like bring it below that candle right there.
What's that, 23, 24,
22
22?
cent.
Ooh. Ooh.
Right.
You might get that in pre-market.
Well, I'm saying you want to wait till market open with this stuff. So if you're impatient, jump in right now and it's like, oh, it's breaking out. I mean, there's a chance it could go.
So,
But
if you're going to get 22 cents, you're only going to get that in pre-market or post-market, my guy.
that's why I wait. I wait for manipulation. I don't trade breakouts personally. That's not what I do.
Yeah,
I
because
wait for
this thing
manipulation.
hit 36 cents in pre-market literally yesterday. It literally shot up from like 25 cents to 40 cents in pre-market yesterday. And we're only coming back down to earth today. Even though this company bought more shares at 25 and 28 cents.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, man.
Oh yeah, no, without a doubt. But like I've been watching this thing, and it's like on open market, this thing has not dropped below 23 cents. It also has not, launched above anything substantial in open market within the past week.
Really hasn't broken the trend too much on the daily, so
No, no, dude, it has been getting short attacked on the open market lately, which is wild to me. So we have shorters who are going after a stock where the CEO, the CFO are buying up a bunch of shares, and they're also using company money to repurchase shares. But you still see this thing go down to 23 cents a share in the open market. I think it hit 22 today, right? So like that to me is absolutely insane. Like you're gonna short a stock where all the executives are buying up shares with their own money. Not only that, they're using company money to buy up shares, and you're still gonna short sell this thing because it right now it's like 25% short sold. So 25% of the float is literally short sold right now, which is wild. That's why I feel like this one, out of any other stock right now, has the biggest potential to go 4 times, to go right to $1. One day it's just gonna happen. It's gonna feel like it happened randomly, but it didn't. Basically, the short sellers are gonna get liquidized, and it's gonna happen.
liquidized.
What's that?
Liquidized.
Liquidated.
They're gonna get liquidized. Sorry, that was a good one.
So the short sellers are basically going to get liquidated one morning pre-market. And this thing is going to shoot up to like 50, 75 cents. And you're going to wish that you bought the options I told you to buy. Like I bought a bunch of 50 cent calls for January 2028. And I think I bought them all at like 10 to 15 cents a contract. So basically, this thing goes to $1. I'm a rich man. I put 1/4 of the Robinhood account into this in the options contracts. That's how solid this buy is. Like I could care less about the short-term price action. Like I see that we shot down to like the way you're looking at the chart right now, like what you're looking at is ancient history already. 20 cents. Like we're never getting back down to 20 cents, dude.
Never,
No.
never say never.
Oh, I'm 100% certain of that. So when a company is pouring their own money into repurchasing shares, like right now we are trading at 26 cents a share right now in aftermarket.
Yeah, just keep an eye on these levels of support and resistance for
Yeah, we
sure.
are at 26.39. Cause I basically converted my uh Webull account into Cosmos.
Converted it.
Oh yeah. So it's trading at 26.39, and it's probably only up from here.
Do we want to go over anything else?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You want to talk about gold? because gold is just chopping. You want to talk about the economic data? Oh, look at that. Look at all that chop.
Yeah, we can go over economic data.
This is eventually going to pop off. Gold. And it's probably going to happen over the summer here. Before September. Like, we've basically reached the floor at $4,000 an ounce. It does not seem to want to go below that.
It does not want to let me look at the gold chart for futures.
Gold to US dollar. It's right there. Do you
Well,
see
yeah.
that? 4,074? Like, dude, it will not go below 4,000. It has been basically pegged like a stable coin the past week. It will not go below $4,000 an ounce. It literally just keeps bouncing off the $4,000 mark. That tells me that we are under manipulation.
The $4,000 mark there, kid.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It won't go underneath it, dude. It goes down to 4,000. It immediately reverses at that $4,000 mark. So I think.
They could be doing this there crap there, kid.
Oh, the chop. You're calling chop for the summer? Oh, yeah. You might want to adjust those A to C's up a bit because this thing is not going to go below $4,000 an ounce. I 100% do not believe gold is going below $4,000 an ounce. Okay. I mean, if it does drop, dude, that's a golden freaking buying opportunity. If gold drops below $4,000 an ounce, not financial advice, but you should be buying. Just gonna throw it out there. Like, that is a golden opportunity. What was the lowest price gold reached? What's that A mark? $4,004?
Where? Here?
The A.
Here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was like 38.
It reached 38?
38.85. Or the low is 38.86.
Yeah, but that line is not at the bottom of that candle. If you went up
the
to
low, if you look in the top left, this
Oh,
one?
yeah. Months ago in November of last
This
year.
one.
Yeah, that doesn't count. I'm talking about this year. That low. What is the lowest it has gotten this year?
4,099.
Yeah. It's almost like the second it gets close to $4,000 an ounce, it just reverses. And I think we might see a nice double bottom here. And then we're going to launch. And it's going to follow Bitcoin. Like gold likes to do. Gold likes to follow Bitcoin. That's like part of my Bitcoin hypothesis has been reflected on the gold chart. So like gold is reaching a yearly bottom of $4,000, and I feel like if you look at Bitcoin, 59, 58, 4,000 gold, like they're gonna basically follow each other
Yeah. Yeah.
because they're both inflationary resistant assets.
Really? So you think gold and Bitcoin are gonna follow each other?
Yes. Oh yeah. Like if you look at the gold chart and you look at the Bitcoin chart, they're not quite different. You think gold and Bitcoin are that different?
Well, so this is the daily chart for gold.
Bring it up.
I'll put yeah.
Yeah, I am gonna stand on this. I'm gonna die in this hill.
I'll put vertical line at Tuesday, September 2020.
Okay.
This is gold for the last 6.5 years.
Okay. What does Bitcoin look like?
All right. And this September 2020, the current. Much more volatile, but obviously, yeah, definitely in the same trend.
Yeah. An inflationary resistant asset.
We got two spikes instead of one.
But yeah. Yeah, that makes sense because of the happenings.
Yeah, and they just robbed people twice. That's all,
Yep.
or three, like a bunch of times, really.
Well, because we had one happening in 2020 and they had another one in 2024.
He, um, God bless my mother. I love her. Love my family. My mom's worked in finance like pretty much her whole life. And her comment to me about Bitcoin is absolutely not. It's way too volatile. But my thought process is if we were day traders, wouldn't we want that?
Yeah, even if you're not a day trader and you're just doing like long-term swing trades, like wouldn't you at least buy some Bitcoin? Cause
Or I
you're
mean, like long term, yeah, I get it. Like volatility, if you're holding long term, yeah, it's an emotional roller coaster. But if you're trading an asset on the short term, wouldn't you want something volatile?
so
Not
are you
super
telling me
volatile,
she owns no Bitcoin?
none.
Oh,
Well, I don't know about that.
you should
Can't say
ask
that
her.
for sure, but
You should
I
ask her
actually
before the
haven't asked
next
her.
stream, bro.
Like, why don't you buy some Bitcoin right now?
Cause we are reaching like a pivotal price moment.
Well, I'm
Like
telling my close friends right now, this is, I obviously would never tell anybody to buy or sell any assets.
nope,
Definitely would never do that.
nope.
But I'm telling my friends what I'm doing. You know what
Right?
I'm saying? I'm telling what I'm doing. I'm averaging into this right now. If I was playing this long term, this is looking really good. Especially the altcoins too. This is like the opportunity, folks. So I'm letting you guys know. This is what I'm doing. This is the opportunity. We've been waiting for this for a while. And if you were paying attention back here when I was on Facebook, I literally told you, look at this. We had this crossover here. It was November of 2025.
Ooh.
I literally made a post and I told everybody, hey, s- if you are in this stuff, like get your money right now. I'm stacking a lot of cash in preparation for a big drop. Okay? And here, folks, if you don't believe me, you think I'm just BSing, think I'm like just talking smoke, let me pull up my Facebook right here. Oh, what's this? So if you're on the Facebook, check it out because I usually give my close friends pretty sound, not financial advice, obviously,
No,
but
no, 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 definitely not.
I tell you what I'm doing. So that post speaks for itself.
I'm not gonna lie. This is all the cash Money Mike holds right now. $3.
All I got is this Amazon gift card.
Nice.
Scammer's like, pause the video.
Dude, show us the backside of that card, bro.
Sorry used.
Scratch off the pin, bro.
Sorry used, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. No, that was a solid indicator, my guy. The crypto
I mean,
Corey.
it's not just one, Mike. Let's face it. It's pretty much every single time you guys turn on the stream, we're calling it. I hate to sound so arrogant, but it's kind of funny at this point. Yeah. Speaking of which, what's the current Bitcoin price doing
I actually had it up.
with our trade here?
I had it up
I mean,
2
we're
seconds ago.
still break even.
You went long too. Oh, you're
And
green. You're green.
And it's funny because we're under the 200.
Yeah, but
Oh,
it's probably going to
good.
launch right back above it because, as you know, the Asian markets, they're just hunting liquidity pools. And right now, the short sellers are the easy,
Looks like,
low-hanging
yeah, look
fruit.
at this. This sucks. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be trading this. This is low volatility. It's a great example for people on stream, like why you wouldn't look at. First of all, let's go over what happened for me today with my trading. Look at so I took a $143 loss. Also took a $51 loss.
Oh, you're
Let's go
going long multiple times today?
Yeah, I saw it long, but it didn't give me what I wanted. So once it kind of put a kibosh on the trades that I was going for, so I shut it down before my stop loss got hit, and I was right. Once you get enough experience, guys, and you can like see this the way it is, then you can do that. But I would say up until that point, do not close your trade until your stop loss gets hit.
Yeah, because I feel like both of those trades would be green right now.
First one was here.
Oh, you bought over there. Interesting. Were you at work?
Yeah. So I was eyeing this because it kind of was making this higher low.
Okay.
Yeah, I was at work, and then it kind of so this 15-minute. We got this bullish engulfing candle, so I bought on that.
Oh yeah.
So I kind of just peter out, so I sold over here.
But they both.
This was another one.
They'd both be in the green right now. Yeah.
If I had held, it's just chop.
Oh yeah, the 100%, dude. This week has been like superb chop. With the
if
NASDAQ.
I don't get my trade by the afternoon, I close it.
Okay.
So typically by lunch hour. So think that's crazy, but see this, I'm narrowing down like all the over trading you guys are doing. You're over trading after hours. You're trading it when you get home from work. You're trading like when you wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning. You're trading every single time you're not supposed to be trading. You're trading, but the times that you are supposed to be trading, guess what you're doing? You're working. And there's a reason for that.
So I'm gonna just like throw it out there, dude. From what I've seen, as far as the stock market goes, early morning trading has been absolutely freaking lit.
Of course.
Yeah, it's been insane, dude. Like if I wake up at 4 a.m. and I'm on the charts and I'm watching the stock market, I'm making money that day, without a doubt. Every time that I have been up at 4 a.m. and I've been watching the charts, I always make money. But if I wake up at 8, 9 a.m., like I had a rough night the night before, and I'm waking up late in the morning, dude, trying to day trade after the market opens, it's rough. Like, you have to be on point. And like I feel like it's the opposite of what we have expected from the stock market the past 3 months. It's basically the opposite. Your best money making opportunities come at 7 a.m. 6:30 to 7 a.m.
Wasn't that lovely?
It's
All right.
unfortunate, dude. Like I hate it because I have to do limit orders and I have to really watch it. But at the same token, it's 10 times easier than trying to trade after 9:30 in the morning with my market orders.
Look at this. We're getting a spike right now with the Bitcoin price.
Oh, you went long too. Nice.
So
Nice.
yeah, I see. Like once you spent enough time, and I don't want to sound too arrogant, because you start getting too confident, you gotta keep yourself in check, guys. But notice what I described here was that we saw the higher low. That was our indicator to go long. Pretty much. It's that simple, right? If you're trying to make this any more complex, you're probably gonna get walked on. It could just walk on us right now. Look at this. It's kind of like,
No,
yeah, we'll see.
we're already past. That's the Asia market reversal, my guy. 8:30 p.m. Like they're going after the low hanging fruit. So
It's been chop all day, so I would not put any validity into this kind of breakout. It could very well come back, snap in our face here. Could be wrong. Could eat my words. We'll see, but come back up. We target probably at least this low. Very conservative. Low hanging fruit.
yeah,
It-
a little inverted
you know,
head and shoulders once again.
see all this resistance at these points here.
Oh yeah.
One, two, three. I blasted past it there. Kind of hesitated here as well. So watch for that. But that would be a very easy target to identify if in a short-term trade. Tight stop loss. I mean, we're above the 1 hour 200, which is nice. We need to see this hold. Looking pretty decent. You know, this actually looks... Dang, I need to get some money here. Get some, this is looking like a good trade.
Yeah. Like you would
Look at,
you'd be killing it with the
traders.
live funds, my guy.
Traders see this as a rounded top. They have their stop losses above this.
That's why it's gonna wreck them.
They also see this as a inverted head and shoulders. Very sloppy too. Notice how this one kind of comes down and really chops them. But they see this as a head and shoulders, not inverted head and shoulders, but just head and shoulders. Their stop loss is literally up here. We can actually move our target to these guys because they're actually about to get walked on. That's the way I see it in the short term. So pretty nice. Yeah, it's like a little bit more than, yeah, it's like a 1 to 3. Textbook. We're playing so let's put it all together, okay? We are playing the 1 hour 200 moving average, right? It's above. Stop loss below the low. If we wanted to make it a little tighter, I would not suggest this, but you could put it below the 200 there, make it a little tighter.
I would.
I would actually keep it a little bit below this low past here.
Ooh.
If you wanted to be even more safe.
Oh, okay. That's bold.
That kind of widens it up to like a 1.25.
I like it.
But you can monitor this trade, watch to see if it does come down here and see what it's doing in the 1 minute, decide whether you want to close it early or not. I would say that's more for the advanced traders. But if you were to play this safe, I would have the stop loss below this previous low back here. Okay, so we're targeting pool of liquidity. This is high. It's really high up there, but well within reasonability here to target this. Also, so we have short sellers who cannot flip their mind because we've been in the short selling game for a while, as you've seen on stream. Look, we're going long? That's crazy. Yeah, you need to literally be able to flip your brain like this quick because that's how quick this game is. If you can't do it, you're going to actually end up giving a lot of your funds back.
That's
right
funny,
now,
dude. That's
changed.
funny because your last trade was an expert like scalpel trade, and you shorted Bitcoin, and now you're going long. Like being able to adapt to the current market conditions, and you see it printing money for him right now. You can see it. We have a live trade open.
Short term, by the way, so it can be long term, but yeah, playing this, targeting the stop losses of the short sellers, right? Because they are currently food. That's how I see it.
The weak are meat, and the strong shall eat. That's a Cloud Atlas reference for any of y'all out there.
Yeah, I've seen that movie a couple times.
You have to, bro. It's hard to like understand what is going on with that movie. You have to watch it a couple times.
I ate some fungus and watched that movie. It's a good one. It's a long one though.
Yeah, it's like 3 hours. Oh yeah.
But isn't that funny? Yeah, once we kind of like just enter these trades, they just kind of start popping off.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Funny.
Oh,
but
good times.
Currently, yeah. I mean, we could close the trade and make up for all the losses that we had this morning. I would say the next level to trading is not like identifying when to take a trade. It's identifying when the market conditions, like how they were this morning, noticing that they were crap, and being able to walk away from it because you understand that if it's not going to run after 9:30, and if it's not going to run It's not even worth it. Just walk away because it's not gonna do anything anyways. Go enjoy your day. Come back
Yeah,
another day.
dude, today was garbage. It was the S&P, the Nasdaq, everything today. It
I knew
was
it was gonna be garbage by 10 o'clock.
yeah.
I didn't even look at the charts after that.
And
And if you look
Nvidia
at the charts
ran
after
today
that,
too.
you're just wasting your time.
Certain stocks like Nvidia ran today. And it's like still like if you weren't buying those individual equities, like you got left behind. Cuz the Nasdaq, I think the Nasdaq was red today. I can tell you right now. Yes. The Nasdaq basically broke even today. The S&P closed red. Yeah. That's why I do the individual equities. And yes, I am still into Avant. And I bought into OSRH again this afternoon.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Not much. Not much. Just enough. Oh, that's lit. That's so lit. Oh, you're bringing it up? Okay. Bring it up. Bring it up.
You went all in on this?
No. No. I bought 2,000 shares. About a grand. Just because the small account, I wanted to start maximizing profit, so I bought Cosmos Health with the small account when it dropped to 22 cents a share today. And because I'd had no exposure to Avant after that, with the large account, I bought 2,000 shares, about $1,000 in equity.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, right at that bottom, dude, too. Right at the double bottom. And I'm fully expecting a world record pop in the next couple days.
I guess we'll see.
Dude, it's been over 10 days, and they have not got hit with a NASDAQ non-compliance.
They about to.
Dude, it's been 12 days. They should have got one like 2 days ago. Like, it makes no sense, except this company is a brand new, merger on the NASDAQ, and they don't want to destroy it even more.
That's weird.
Yeah, dude, it makes no sense. Like, I feel like this is fully manipulated, and this could go back right up to $3 per share any given morning. But especially the next couple mornings.
Man. What was the other one?
Cosmos? Yeah, you didn't bring up that chart yet. Cosmos Health, COSM.
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, yeah, okay. Oh yeah.
That's what we've been talking about the whole stream, dude.
Oh yeah, this is a solid buy right now. Solid buy. Not financial advice, but I am going hardcore into this stock right now. I bought a bunch of 50-cent calls for this thing for January 2028. And those things are going to print money eventually.
I guess we'll see, right?
Yeah. Well, you know me, man. I have an eye for the small cap gems, as you said.
Sweet.
Oh yes. Oh. So what are you doing for dinner tonight?
Making lasagna.
Lasagna?
Yeah.
How many layers, bro? You going like a full 12 layers? 20 layers?
It's like 5.
5 layers? Did you get the mini meatballs?
No, I just do the grass-fed beef, dude.
You just like slice
No,
and dice
I
it?
don't do any frozen stuff. Hell no.
You
Just
slice
do-
and dice the beef and then like layer it in there?
No, I just brown the ground beef. Pretty easy.
Oh, you do the ground beef. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So that's a whole inside joke thing. If you watch Kill Tony, or if you watch, what the hell's his name? He talks about like the 13, 20 layers lasagna.
Oh.
Oh God, what is his name? It's an actor. He did a bunch of movies, and he goes on Kill Tony.
I don't watch movies.
Huh?
No, I don't watch movies.
Oh God, something highway.
Anyways,
Harland. Harland.
Harlan, yeah.
Harlan Williams. 20-layer lasagna. Oh, God, that would have killed me if I did not find that name. Oh, yeah. That Bitcoin, dude. Just keep that trade open because it's going to print you money when you wake up in the morning.
I guess we'll find out, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Send me a screenshot because I know you're going to wake up in the morning and it's going to be like $1,000 positive.
Yeah, we'll see.
We will. We will. We've been going strong.
Leave it off like an hour. We got an hour here.
Oh, yeah. We got over an hour, my guy.
Yeah, I gotta jump on another call.
Okay. No worries.
But we'll aim to do what, Friday?
Oh, yeah. Friday, 7 p.m.?
Yeah, dude.
Or 8 p.m.
Probably 8.
8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday.
Yeah, dude.
Hit the like and subscribe.
Once again, this is Maniac Money Finance channel.
That's Crypto Corey.
And that is Money Mike.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta get on call with my base jumping mentor, so.
Okay. And I will be live streaming tomorrow morning. I did not do that today. We woke up a little too late.
Alright, guys.